Hey everybody, Rachel here and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. Feel at home. Yes, I hope you're gonna enjoy us. I mean, being together doing this, yeah, what you'll be watching and all. Yeah, so today I'll be doing a facial body scrub kind of tutorial thing. So like a DIY, something you can actually do from home if you love taking care of your skin and if you actually want to start doing it, or I mean, yeah. So if you're like maybe a stay-at-home mom and you've not had time to go to the salon or to go buy a scrub, or I mean go to the spa and get your body face done or something, guys, if you feel you're all clogged up maybe after the gym and stuff, like this is really good to open you up. Like it's gonna open your pores and you're gonna feel amazing, like you're gonna feel fresh, exfoliated. Yeah, so it's a cinnamon lavender scrub. So you can use whatever ingredients, but I'll take you through it, and I hope that you're gonna love it, yeah, and you're gonna actually incorporate it into your routine. Yes, so let's do this, guys, let's do this. So I've actually used it before, mine has run out, so I thought maybe I should add some more, and yes, I did it, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so let's do this, guys. Hey guys, so we're back, and oh shoot. So what you basically need is sugar, some sugar. I just use whatever I have in the house. You need cinnamon. You can use if you're not good with cinnamon, you don't really have to put it. So also have olive oil, it's optional. You can also put coconut oil. Then I also have lavender essential oil here, so which is also kind of optional depending with your skin. So I'll start with sugar. So I'll pour some in a bowl. So this is where I'll be mixing it from. So okay, I'm just kind of measuring with like approximation, so you can either use a cup. Okay, the cup was for that, but let me just use my eyes, yeah. So sorry if I'm blocking you, gosh. Yeah, so I think that's better. Yeah, so the sugar on the side. So after that we have the lavender oil. So I'm basically adding be enough for me. I don't like a lot of oil, so yeah, okay, that's enough. Then I'll put some, what's this, lavender oil. Yeah, so just a few drops. So maybe add a little bit more because I really love lavender. Like it smells so good, guys. It smells so good. So also the cinnamon. So just take about half a spoon. Yeah, so yeah. Then it's actually optional, but if you're into, you can add some food color for the color actually. Yeah, so this is what I have. Want some food color in it, so you have to be careful not to put too much. So then after that you just mix it. I think I'll add some more oil. it's actually okay. You can see how it's coming out. Yeah, so, and it smells so good, guys. It smells so good. So I'll add some color. So the color is not so pronounced because of the cinnamon too. I mean, the color is kind of strawberry red and the cinnamon is brown, so it kind of dilutes it. And guys, your your scrub is actually ready. Just that, yeah, just that, and you're good to go. So just a bit test on my skin. See like how it so let me just scrape it off, but like it leaves your skin so shiny, like you really, and it's not sticky at all. It's not sticky. Yeah, so like it's really good. So anyways, after that I have my container on the side. You can just use any container in the house. Like if you have a container that you had oil in and the oil is up, and you can use that. You have what's this? Like a jar of honey and it's over. You can use that. Like it's really, I mean anything. Like you really don't need to buy anything extra. So yeah. It's really, it has a tint of red and brown. It's amazing. So yeah. And then, like if you really want to maybe spice up your tin or something, you can maybe get a cute sticker. I just get random stickers, like you can just get at any supermarket or anything. So it fits perfectly. There we go. Yeah, so here's my scrub, my body scrub. So I'm probably gonna use this for a very long time. Nothing goes bad here. So yeah, win-win. So you guys are gonna save on costs. You're basically using raw material that's from your house. I'm probably gonna do more of this, and you're also gonna enjoy it. It smells good. It's like mind-opening. It's so refreshing, and I'm gonna put the benefits of all the ingredients in this in the description down below. So if you love the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it, guys, like it, guys, like I was gonna say baby, but like it, babies. Like it. Don't, if you've not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, turn on your notification bell, and if you want more videos like this, definitely leave what you'd like me to do in the comment section down below. I love you all.
Kwani unawapenda?
Because they're my farm.
Oh.